Oh yeah, that is the moon. Nice. Yeah, this side's a little tight. Oh my God. This one's the worst.
How many more do you have?
There's tears in my eyes. Nice. Nice. Wow. That's painful. Ooh. Nice. Wow, why is that so sore? Holy moly. Oh, see, I love this one. People hate it. Nice. Nice. Easy. There you go. That was a good one. What do you think, Bubbash? What do you think, huh? Baby. Yeah. I love you. All right, I got Hero Man. Well, he's taking a nap, I guess. I got Hero Man with me. I just got back from the chiropractor. He's actually a good friend of mine. I graduated chiropractic school with. And so I tend to get adjusted pretty much every week, to be honest, or like every other week. And I've noticed that if I push it out to like a month without getting adjusted, I really feel it, especially in my low back, because that's probably like, I shouldn't say my number one problem area, but it's what got me into chiropractic. I had a low back fracture, and so every once in a while, if I don't maintain it, if I don't keep up with care, it gets to be pretty bad. I actually woke up the other day. I don't wake up with many like aches and pains. I just have muscle stiffness. Overall, I don't really have like pain, but like a day ago, I woke up and I like, could hardly turn my neck. So I guess that's what happens when you turn 30 years old. Stuff starts to hurt. But yeah, I just got adjusted. My neck, pretty much everything. But I feel like night and day different. So if you are skeptical, and I know there's a lot of skeptics about chiropractic, I get comments daily about it, which is just like, it's like, it doesn't hurt my feelings, for one, when people tell me I'm not a real doctor. That's, people love to say that, which I'm like, are you trying to hurt my feelings? Because I don't really get it. It's like, it doesn't hurt my feelings. I could care less if people call me doctor. Even my patients will ask like, what do I call you? Do I have to call you doctor? I'm like, I don't care. I really don't care what you call me. I'm not like holding my nose high in the air because I'm a doctor. I like to say oh, all chiropractors are quacks. I'm like, wow, I haven't heard that one before. A good one. Stop just copying whatever everyone else is saying. Anyways, if you're a skeptic to chiropractic, I highly recommend trying it. And the biggest thing for me is like chiropractic is meant to be like a wellness care preventative, not like which everyone does is, I'm in pain, I can hardly walk, let me go to the chiropractor. Oh, they don't fix it, they suck. Which it's like, that's not what chiropractic is made for. It's made to keep you out of pain. Of course, when you are in pain, it helps as well, but it's more of a preventative treatment. So if you are a skeptic, try it out. Get a good chiropractor. It sucks because there's a lot of, I don't want to say bad chiropractors, but like there's just chiropractors that ruin it for the rest of us. And people will often tell me like, oh, my last chiropractor, all they did was lay me on the table and crack me. And I'm like, well, I get it because they probably take insurance, which I don't take insurance because I don't want insurances to dictate how I treat my patients. But if your chiropractor takes insurance, like they're only getting paid to adjust your spine. That's it. So it's like, why would they do all this extra work and not get paid for it? I get it. And so that's why I tell people like that it sucks, but like they're doing what they're getting paid for and they don't want to do extra work. So I get it. So that's why I charge a little bit more, but I think provide all around care. So if you can find a chiropractor that really fits your needs, whatever that may be. I personally don't agree with just getting adjusted, even though I am a chiropractor. I think there's levels to it, right? Like just getting adjusted every single week and not doing anything else it's going to get you nowhere. You're spinning your wheels. And that's why I stopped doing what I was doing before, which was just adjusting, because I'd see the same people week in, week out, no improvements. They'd feel better, but it's like they never made improvements, so that's what I like to do. What I do, more muscle work, more physical therapy type stuff, as well as adjust too. So I think like those are all the components that you need to combine to get the best outcomes. Just getting adjusted just isn't going to do it. It's just really not. So you have to look at like all aspects of your life and make that come together. So work with a chiropractor that truly understands what's going on and really wants to help fix the problem, and you would be amazed by the results you can actually get. So that's going to be the video. Hope you guys did enjoy it. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. You're always so sleepy.
You know that I'm always
okay, buddy.
hold you down. You know that I'm always down.